The question says that how do organisms, whether reproduced asexually or sexually, maintain a constant chromosome number through several generations? Explain with the help of suitable example. So first we can talk about the asexual organisms who reproduce asexually. So they only do mitotic divisions in which only their chromosome number always remains same. So when they divide, if they are dividing by two chromosomes, their daughter cell will also have two chromosomes even during the phase of division. So during the asexual reproduction, the DNA in the chromosomes of the cells involved are copied and then equally divided among the two daughter cells formed. Thus the chromosome number remains unchanged. So here we can see it neither it is doubling or halving, it remains equal throughout the process. And in sexual reproduction, organisms do meiosis, which is the reductional division in which the chromosome number become halves. So original number of chromosome becomes half. And since the suppose male have 72 chromosomes and all the females also have 72 chromosomes. So while dividing, male will only give 36 and female will also only give 36. So when these two combine, since in sexual reproduction, the combining of gametes take place, which leads to formation of zygote. So when they both combine, 36 plus 36 becomes 72, and thus the original number is again restored. So in asexual reproduction, specialized cells slash germ cells with only half the number of chromosomes are formed. When these germ cells combine to form new individuals, it is again restored. So for example, for meiosis, we can take the case of humans. Father and mother each have 46 or 23 pairs of chromosomes. In the gametes, the sperm has the half number of chromosomes, that is 23, and egg also has 23 chromosomes. When the sperm and egg fuse, they both form zygote has 46 or 23 pairs of chromosomes.